Disclaimer: these videos are fake. They are not real. They are a work of fiction. Also, this video has valid EAS tones. It is illegal to transmit these tones on air. I am not responsible for any misuse of this video.
Next on TNT.
Ballin'. On a budget? Try the new $1 Your Way menu at Burger King, featuring a flame-grilled bacon cheeseburger. Value this good is hard to find anywhere else. The new $1 Your Way menu, now at Burger King. Your way, way better.
When language learning gets hard,
Make it.
The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. A black hole has been spotted in our solar system and NASA reports it is possible that it could come close to Earth and destroy it. Please keep your TVs on for further updates about this possible situation. Shelter-in-place warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. The black hole has gotten larger and NASA also reports it is coming closer to Earth. For now all we can do is shelter in place and see what happens and also hope for a miracle. Please keep your TVs on for more information as this situation updates. This is it. This is the end. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA and the US government. The black hole is starting to break apart our Earth and everyone and everything will go into the black hole. Please hold for the national anthem.